Hello, everyone. Today, I want to show you how our What People on the Internet Talk About flow works. You can find this template in the Flow library and select the What People on the Internet Talk About option. This flow helps you discover trending discussions around a specific keyword by analyzing online websites, forums, and social media posts. It generates a summary of frequently mentioned topics that are relevant to your input, helping marketers, content creators, and researchers stay ahead of trends and refine their strategies. You can also customize the prompt to focus on certain platforms or prioritize specific types of discussions based on your needs. For more details on how to build this flow, check out the video linked in the description. Thanks for watching.